Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, north central Pico Lake County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Groveport, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include
crap.
Lancaster, Pickerington, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Obetz, Lycopolis, Carroll, Fairfield County Airport, and Dumontville. On weed, you're in
I did not ask to go on the radio.
You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
I never hear it talk like that.
We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.
Okay.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.
Wow.
Tonight, partly cloudy until early morning, then clearing.
I'm over here messing with a broken WR100, and then this happens.
Around 30. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%.
Dude.
Friday, partly cloudy and breezy.
I wonder if he's still going.
Highs in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour.